Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to change voice on Discord to mobile, so let's start. For doing this, well, you need an app that is called Voice Changer Live. However, on Android it's not available yet, so right now you only can download by as iOS. So when you do it, well, the only thing that you have to do is talk to your friends and make a call or send audios there, and now you can start changing your voice there on Discord. If this is not working as well, you can go to settings. Let's go to our profile. Let's go to the top right corner on settings, and then just scroll down and you will find app settings and go to voice. Here on voice you can change the volume if you prefer. You can move here or the soundboard volume if you want to change it, and then you can start changing some settings of your audio voice. So that is how you can start doing it. Remember that this is more for iOS. On Android there are no an app for changing right now the voice. You can use artificial intelligence to do it, but this can be changed for the live or for calls or something like that. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.